Hey guys, what's up? Be Extreme here today, and I'm going to be doing a performance and a tutorial. It's pretty good. The trick that I'm going to do, it's pretty good to do to little kids, but also it can fool older kids too. So it kind of goes like so. Let's get to how to do that. Okay, so this is you might have figured it out, but I'm gonna teach you. So today I'm gonna be using my Pluma deck, but all I'm gonna need is just 5 cards. You could do more if you want to impress them better, but I usually just do 5 just to teach people. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So leave the rest to the side, and first I'm gonna teach you the basics. So you're gonna palm it like this. You gotta go like this when you're talking. So then while you're talking, you're just gonna have to cough. You're gonna go and then while you're doing that, you're gonna do this, and you're gonna put it in your mouth, and you're actually gonna like let go like that. So if you know how to do the spring, you're probably gonna be able to do this. So you're just gonna put it in your hand, and you're gonna do this. So I was doing so just one more time. You're gonna palm it, then you go like this. Put it in your mouth and spread it out like that. Okay? And here's a couple tips. If you want them to see the faces of the cards, so like the 9 hearts, Ace of Hearts, 3 diamonds, King of Spades, and Queen of Clubs, then you're gonna palm it like that so you can see the backs, and then when you go like this, it's gonna come out like that. Okay? So also, it's pretty good to have a story come with it, and so here I'll show you I'll show you how impressive it is to use more cards. So just palm them. It goes. So I was doing this trick once, and yeah, sorry, I had to swallow cards, and they always just come up sometimes. Never know when. But that's how you do it, and see you later. Bye.